Welcome to Tech Kings. Today I'll be unboxing the JBL Flip 6 speaker. I've previously owned the JBL Charge 2, the JBL Clip Original, the JBL Clip 2, as well as the JBL Extreme. I've pretty much exclusively bought JBL Bluetooth speakers, and they've worked so well that I haven't had to buy one in 8 years. And I didn't plan to buy one now, except I dropped the JBL Charge 2 onto concrete really hard and now it rattles. So I was forced to make an upgrade. And I always thought that I would buy another Charge. They're currently on the JBL Charge 5. However, when I started looking at the Charge and the Flip, the Charge has gotten larger and everyone says the sound is really good. However, I drive an old vehicle, a 1998. And so if I'm streaming music, I'll use a Bluetooth speaker. And it's really helpful if the speaker can fit in the cup holder. And that's what the JBL Charge 2 could do. And the reviews said that the Charge 5 can't do that. And everyone said the Flip 6 can fit in a cup holder. So that's why I went with the Flip 6. The Flip 6 is also a little bit cheaper than the Charge, actually quite a bit cheaper. So the Charge is, I think, retails for around $179 US, and the Flip 6 retails for $129. However, I was able to buy it on Cyber Monday, and I was able to get it for $89.99. So I was pretty happy about that. I've never actually seen one in person. I'm excited to see what it looks like. Just a couple spots to cut with a knife here. All right, now it has some sort of pull. So that pulls open and it kind of unfolds, I guess. Okay, nice little emblem, Flip 6. The packaging is really nice. It looks good. I had ordered online and then I picked it up at Target. So let's get this out of here and see what it looks like. Whoa. Okay, it looks cute. I don't know what else. It looks nice. I like it. It's small. It's sleek. I'm very, very happy. This is nice and compact. The JBL logo is large, but the black on black blends in pretty well. As a contrast, the logo on the Extreme is pretty bright. This looks really cool. I'm really happy with it. Here it is side by side with the Charge 2. You can see it's smaller. So if this fits in a cup holder, this will definitely fit in a cup holder. There were a couple issues I didn't like with the Charge 2. First of all, it's about 10 years old, so the battery wasn't lasting as long, which is just the nature of batteries. Also, when it would connect to the phone, it would make a real loud beep, and there's no way to turn that off on the older models. So I'm hoping the sound isn't as annoying, or if it is, I can adjust it on the newer model. This thing looks fantastic. It's very small. A lot of people say that you could also put it inside a backpack where you would put a drink. Yes, it sits a little different than the Charge 2. The Charge 2 sits up. This kind of sits back. It's kind of tilted upward. I assume that helps with better sound. So I'm going to try and connect this real quick and just give it a quick test. Let's see how quick and easy this connects. I'm not looking at the instructions at all. Let's see if it's intuitive. Okay. Power button. Okay. Don't mind that. Okay, it's instantly looking to connect, it sounds like. Okay, showed up instantly. All I had to do is power it on. I'm connected. That sound isn't nearly as annoying as the Charge 2 sound. I may still adjust it or turn it off, but I gotta research how to do that. I think you need an app. I am absolutely thrilled with this thing so far. I love how it looks. I love how it connects. I love how small it is. It feels just really solid and compact, as well as to connect it to the Bluetooth. All I had to do is power it on. My phone found it right away. Very simple, very easy. The sound is fantastic for such a small device upon first listen. It definitely sounds more full than my Charge 2. Of course, this is almost 10 years old, so that makes sense. 12-hour battery life. I'm super happy with this so far. I think it's gonna work fantastic in the car. Also, let's just see what else is in the box. Nothing in there. Empty. Let's see what's in here. Okay, charging cable, USB-C. So that's good. There is no charging brick. Quick start guide instructions. So no charging brick, charging cable. Looks decent quality. That's about the length. So my coat has these big pockets, and I just want to see if it will fit in the pocket. Yep, check that out. Fits in the pocket. As I mentioned, a lot of people said one of the things they liked about the Flip series is that it's able to fit in the drink holder of a backpack. So let's just see how that looks real quick. Yep, fits beautifully in a drink holder. Why don't we see how it looks and sounds in the car and see how well it fits into the cup holder? Absolutely fantastic. Very snug. It's not going anywhere. Looks great. Doesn't take up too much space. One other feature that I want to mention is it has this strap. So that could be great if you're carrying it around in your backpack and you need to secure it or just for holding it. And this strap also looks like it's very easily removable. So it's optional, which is always great. So I'm absolutely thrilled with this. Like I said, I hadn't seen it before I purchased it. I just read the reviews and it sounded like it was going to work for what I wanted, which was mainly for driving and using it in a cup holder as well as just easy portability. So I'm very happy with the purchase. I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.